Using synthetic division to evaluate a polynomial. So behind me I have a fourth degree polynomial. Okay, and we're asked to find what p of negative 4 is. Okay, so before what we could have done is just plug in negative 4. Okay, so this is going to be equal negative 4 to the fourth minus 5 negative fourth squared plus 4 times negative 4 plus 12. Okay, that's doable, but we're going to get to some pretty big numbers. Negative 4 to the fourth is not an easy number to remember. So there is another way we can do this, and that's using synthetic division. So what we do is we take the number that we're trying to evaluate, negative 4 in this case. That's going to go outside of our synthetic division bracket. Draw your bracket and continue with the synthetic division process. So write our coefficients of our function in descending order, making sure that all of our degrees are taken care of. For this particular case, we don't have an x cubed term, so we need to put in a 0. So 0, negative 5, 4, and 12. Going through the synthetic division process. Drop down your 1, multiply, and add throughout the entire thing. So negative 4 times 1, negative 4, and add. Negative 4, negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Negative 5 plus 16 is 11. Negative 4 times 11 is negative 44. 4 plus negative 44 is negative 40. Negative 4 times negative 40 is 160. Finally, ending up with 172. Okay, so we put our number on the outside and then synthetic division. In order to evaluate this function, the only number we're actually concerned with is that remainder. Okay, so what we actually did is we did this entire process just to get that last number, 172. In this case, p of negative 4 is going to be 172. If we calculated this all out, this would in fact turn into 172. Okay, so synthetic division to evaluate a polynomial function can actually reduce your workload. Instead of having to deal with powers of big numbers, we can turn it into simple multiplication and addition to get our answer.